then they announced the Surface Earbuds, which were pretty interesting because this is the closest thing that I found to a competitor for the Apple AirPods. And the biggest difference is between like a lot of these wireless headphones that you're hearing that are trying to compete with Apple AirPods is the fact that this is they mentioned that these are like one-click connect to your device.
One click, like you click them, tap them
they
to
didn't
it?
they didn't give a good example, so I'm not exactly sure,
like,
but they put it in their little description. And so I don't know the full details as to how it works. I would be very interested to seeing. But yeah, they're mentioning one click to connect, which is a lot better than those like that Bluetooth searching system that you always have to do with your headphones. And especially if you're constantly pairing different headphones all the time. Like if you have a set of running headphones and a set of listening headphones, or like we constantly switch headphones, or we have like a speaker that we connect to. There's different things that make the one click pairing a lot easier. So this is the earbuds that when they announced those.
Oh, and so they went with their own style too, that it's just a dot on the outside, a circle.
Yeah.
Instead of that dangling line downward.
Yeah, they.
Interesting. Yeah, this, from a fashion perspective, it makes me think of gauges when people stretch their earlobes.
I'm not sure how I feel about the design. It kind of looks dumb to me. The design itself, like when it's in the ear, it looks kind of huge.
So it looks like when they tap, that there's signaling with how much they tap it, though. That could be really useful.
Yeah, there's they're integrating it with PowerPoint, and they're integrating a translator in there.
Is it one size fits all, or is it like that little like silicone part you can change out to make bigger or smaller?
So the way the lady described it that was announcing it was that it rests on like two different points on the ear. So I think like we have those headphones that from, I think it was the Pixel headphones, that has that other point that kind of you can adjust to fit inside the back of the ear as well as the front.
Oh yeah.
And that's what they said, that it fits at 2 points in the ear to create long-term comfort. So I don't know if they have different molds of the silicone thing that you can put in your ear, or how it is, because again, like there wasn't a lot of detail, and but it looked like the gesture navigation, they were very much saying like you can pretty much run your phone from your ears by just touching
and speaking,
and without having to grab out your phone. It has a mic. It has dual mics actually.
Oh, both pieces have mics.
Each piece has two mics.
Oh,
one, and it's for noise reduction, one of the mics.
That makes sense.
They're boasting 24-hour battery. The essentially their office navigation, which the biggest thing that they announced was that when you are doing like a PowerPoint, you could use the earphones to auto transcribe what you're saying to auto caption. So when you're doing a PowerPoint presentation, it will automatically have captions of what you're saying. You don't understand it, or
I'm sorry, my mind wandered, so I was just nodding for that one. So it has the text for what?
For when you're like if you're making a PowerPoint presentation, it will automatically transcribe it and create a caption.
Oh, closed captioning for the audio. You mean they will type the words at the bottom for you automatically on a PowerPoint? Yeah,
if you're making like a PowerPoint presentation.
Okay.
Same thing. Google also started doing auto captioning with their videos.
You can correct it though, right? Because there are times that it's funny what it thinks you say, and sometimes it's just frustrating.
Just like on the fly. So it like when you.
Oh, you mean like a live presentation, a live PowerPoint? It's not that you can beforehand, like
No, it's like
plan out.
like
Okay.
live
And
as
record. I see.
you're speaking.
So I guess the best practice would just be make sure you're over articulating.
They also said that it's also going to have auto translate, so the caption can actually just be a different translation of what you're speaking too.
It's a nice feature.
And I'm kind of curious to see what else that extends to, if it's just PowerPoint or if it could be extended to other things like Pixel or the Google headphones. They had that whole thing where they worked it with the Pixel so that you could talk to the headphones and then it would speak out in whatever language that you wanted to translate to, and vice versa. So it would be pretty cool to see how far that goes out to.